Prelims 2.5 परख राष्ट्रीय सर्वेक्षण report. Context: The 2024 Parakh survey highlights that foundational learning levels, especially in Class 3, are yet to recover to pre-COVID standards, reflecting the deep academic setbacks caused by the pandemic. Crucial highlights of the 2024 Parakh survey, Z assessment, conducted in December 2024 by Parakh, formerly National Achievement Survey (NAS). Z coverage: 21.15 lakh students across classes 3, 6, and 9 in 74,229 schools. Z aligned with NEP 2020 stages. Class 3, end of foundational stage. Class 6, end of preparatory stage. Class 9, end of middle stage. Z raised concern. Class 3 learning levels, still below pre-COVID benchmarks. National average score, improvement since 2021, but still below 2017 pre-COVID levels. Class 6 or 9, alarming performance. National average less than 50% in all subjects, except language. The Education Ministry cites pandemic learning loss 2 years as a key reason. Z top and bottom performers. Top states: UTS, Punjab, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Dadra और Nagar Haveli, Daman और Diu, all 3 grades. Low performing districts: Meghalaya, Garo Hills, Shi Yomi, Arunachal, Rasi और Rajouri, J&K, Sahibganj, Jharkhand. School type trends. Grade 3, lowest math scores in Kendriya Vidyalayas. Grade 6, weak math outcomes in state-run unaided schools. Grade 9, Kendriya Vidyalayas performed best in language. About Parakh, Z stands for Performance Assessment, Review and Analysis of Knowledge for Holistic Development. Z released by Ministry of Education, Government of India, conducted in December 2024 by NCERT under the national assessment body Parakh. Z establishment as a dedicated unit under NCERT in 2023. Z objective: to standardize student assessments across school boards nationwide. Set norms, standards, and guidelines for school-level evaluations. Implement activities related to student assessment and learning outcomes. Z mandate: build a common assessment platform for all state and UT school boards. Ensure uniformity and comparability across educational boards. 2.6 Talash initiative. Context: recently, the National Education Society for Tribal Students (NESTS) in partnership with UNICEF India, launched Talash Tribal Aptitude, Life Skills and Self-Esteem Hub. Z NESTS is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, established in 2019 to manage Eklavya Model Residential Schools (EMRS). About Talash initiative. Z It is a national program to support the all-round development of students in Eklavya Model Residential Schools (EMRSS). To improve both the education and personal growth of tribal students across India. Z focus: search for self-awareness, life skills, and career clarity among tribal youth. Z target: 1.38 lakh Jod tribal students across 28 states and 8 union territories. Z vision or goals: foster self-discovery and career planning among tribal youth. Enhance personal growth, self-confidence, and life readiness. Aligned with the National Education Policy NEP 2020 focus on holistic and inclusive education. Society or social issues. Key components of Talash psychometric based on NCERT's Tamanna initiative. Z assessments identify students' strengths, interests, Z and aptitudes. Generates career cards with Z personalized career suggestions. Career provides informed guidance to help Z counseling students align goals with abilities. Z assists in making strategic educational and career decisions. Life skills or problem develops skills like Z self-esteem solving, emotional regulation, and modules communication. Focuses on building confidence, Z resilience, and self-worth. A-Learning Z, a dedicated digital portal offering for teachers training and mentoring tools. Supports students, enables teachers to Z in academic and emotional growth. 2.7 Northeastern Region NER SDG Index. Context: the Northeastern region has made significant progress toward achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, as highlighted in the NER SDG Index. About SDG India Index, Z. The SDG India Index is a tool developed by NITI Aayog to measure and track India's progress towards the SDGs set by the United Nations. Northeastern Region NER District SDG Index 2023-24, Z. Released by NITI Aayog and Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region (MODERNA). With UNDP support, the index assesses 121 districts across 8 states on 15 of the 17 SDGs. Z. The index aids SDG localization by guiding states to align development plans with SDGs, serving as a benchmark to identify gaps and prioritize actions for achieving targets by 2030. Overall performance: Z. All districts in Mizoram, Sikkim, and Tripura have achieved front-runner status. Z. Hanthial in Mizoram emerged as the top-performing district in the region. Z. The share of front-runner districts increased from 62% 2021-22 to 85% 2023-24. Z. Significant gains were observed in goals such as no poverty, zero hunger, good health or well-being, quality education, gender equality, and clean water or sanitation. Z. National flagship schemes like the Jal Jeevan Mission, Swachh Bharat Mission, and Aspirational Districts program contributed significantly to these improvements.